I'm her daughter.
Welcome to this made-up life.
I believe that all of us have wings. We all have the ability to fly. It's within us.
Yeah.
It's on the inside. And sometimes it takes a little something something, like a magic feather, for us to feel confident.
So yeah, that's kind of just what I've been into. There's so many other ways that you can, wear one style of denim in the day. And so that's kind of what's interesting about, are you done yet? Good night, woman. Jeez Louise.
Are we gonna have to start over?
No, yikes. Will you just